As you may already know, the Legacy Ornamental Mill is an incredible woodworking machine. But with the addition of the new CNC upgrade, the Legacy Ornamental Mill is arguably the most versatile woodworking tool you can put in your shop. With the introduction of the Performance Series CNC, Legacy added automation and additional capabilities, including carving. And now, Legacy is proud to introduce the new Standard Series CNC upgrade. This exciting upgrade gives you the same capabilities and automation as the Performance Series at a lower cost. The biggest difference between the two is positioning and cutting speeds. The new Standard Series allows you to position the router at up to 60 inches per minute with a maximum cutting speed of 40 inches per minute, while the Performance Series will position it over 180 inches per minute with a maximum cutting speed of 120 inches per minute. The other difference is how you control the router and set the limits for the machine. With the Performance Series, the program or code controls the router, turning it on and off automatically as needed. While on the Standard Series, you turn the router on and off manually. Also, the Performance Series has limit switches to set the limits of the machine, while the Standard Series has soft limits that are controlled by the software. An optional upgrade for the router control and limit switches will be available for the Standard Series. The final difference is the price. The Performance Series has an introductory price of $7,500 and is perfect for the professional woodworker who needs the added performance in speed and torque, while the Standard Series has an introductory price of just $3,800, making it the perfect CNC package for the home shop. Now the Legacy Ornamental Mill with the CNC upgrade is not only one of the most versatile woodworking CNCs on the market, but also the most affordable. In fact, you can expect to pay over $4,000 just for the fourth axis alone on other CNC tables, and it still won't have the fifth axis capabilities built right into the Legacy Ornamental Mill. You may have seen the Legacy Ornamental Mill demonstrated at a woodworking trade show, where we built a sample piece similar to this one here. Turning the spindle shaft with a handle to mill the stock round, and add the bead and cold detail here in the center. Then using the indexing pin to mill the flutes, and finally, using the gears to mill the rope. The CNC eliminates the need for all of these setups. Once you've written the program, you simply load the code, insert the first bit, and press cycle start. And I'll start by simply loading the program and then pressing cycle start. And the program is telling me to raise the router bit. Using the keyboards right here, I can raise the router so that it clears the part. And then I can go ahead and drive it over, and it's telling me to insert bit number 2704. Now this is the surface planing bit that we use to mill the stock around. Now we'll touch off the tool. We can lower the bit down until it gets close to the part, and then by using the eliminator chuck we can loosen the router bit so that we can raise and lower it. I'll just drop it down until it touches the support here. And we might drive the router down just a little bit till it's in the chuck the proper depth and tighten that in place. So now we've touched off the tool. Now we'll hit cycle start to begin the process. At this point, the program is paused, waiting for me to turn the router on. Now the program pauses while I change the router bit. And it says at this point to put in bit number 3952. Now once again we're going to touch off the router bit. So we'll just lower the bit down. Once it gets real close to the surface of the wood, we'll open up the eliminator chuck again, drive the bit in to the depth that we want in the chuck, and then at this point we touch off our Z-axis to 0 and our A-axis, and then hit cycle start again. Obviously, I didn't have to use the indexing pin or change the handle or anything like that. The next step is to cut the spiral, and the program pauses while we change the router bit again. And once again, we'll touch off the tool to the part. Now we don't need to set up any gears or anything else, just press cycle start. You can see in just a few moments we have an exact duplicate of the first part. The CNC will also add capabilities to your legacy ornamental mill that would normally require templates or simply couldn't be done. This table leg is a classic example of a part normally made on the legacy ornamental mill. The CNC allows you to easily automate the process and add the elliptical rosette. You simply load the program, insert the router bit, and press cycle start. Watch for upcoming classes on Legacy Woodworking Academy to learn just how easy it is to use the new CNC upgrade. In the next class, we'll show you how to load the code, insert your router bits, touch off the face, and mill this rosette. We'll also provide the program code for you to do it on your own. For more information to determine which CNC package is right for your shop, visit our website at www.legacywoodworking.com or call us at 800-279-4570.